Hello there. I have a question for you. Did you know that having insecurities within ourselves is a part of choosing not to understand ourselves and or others? Think about that for a moment, won't you? You see, when we don't seek to understand, we fear. We get angry, sad, disappointed. We misconstrue messages. We get overwhelmed, anxious, and we judge. I remember years ago, this was all too true for me. I didn't realize the damage of not understanding myself and judging and talking about others was actually doing to me on an emotional and physical level. I got depressed and I developed anxiety. And for a short time, I became dependent on prescription drugs. I just accepted that this was the way it was, and I didn't know that there was a way out. I didn't understand, nor was I attempting to. In Jude 1:10, the Bible warns us about this exact behavior. It says, "Yet these people slander whatever they do not understand, and the very things they do understand by instinct, as irrational animals do, will destroy them." Interesting enough, because that's exactly what was happening to me. I have good news though. Once we take time to understand the reasons why we do the things we do, understand how our feelings contribute to our actions, and learn to obtain clarity about ourselves, we begin to transform into a liberated person who walks in peace. I know this all to be true because that's exactly what's happened to me. And I'd like the opportunity to encourage you to let 2021 be that year for you to do the same. Release all those insecurities and everything that's been holding you back. Go to my Facebook group, Walking in Peace, where I share techniques and workshops and guidance to assist you in learning about yourself, how to shift your perspectives, detach from any defeating feelings, and way more, in order to obtain the abundance of peace that you deserve in your life through all circumstances. Go now to Walking in Peace and subscribe to this station. Thank you, and God's abundant blessings on you, and Happy New Year.